Xiangxi Aizhai Bridge is the most expensive bridge in Hunan Province and the most outstanding suspension bridge in the world. The total cost of the bridge was 1.5 billion yuan and it took 5 years to build. There are no piers and brackets in the bridge project. It is suspended above the Dihang Grand Canyon with a vertical height of 355 meters. The bridge is 1,414 meters long and 24.5 meters wide. The upper level allows 200 vehicles to pass at the same time, and the lower level can accommodate thousands of people. Since its completion, this bridge has shocked the world and won 4 world firsts, fully demonstrating the strong strength of China's infrastructure. The main span of the bridge is 1,176 meters and the bridge deck is 24.5 meters wide. Construction began in 2007 and was completed and opened to traffic in 2012. It took 5 years and the total cost was 1.5 billion yuan. It is higher than the world's tallest bridge, Beipanjiang Bridge, and is the world's largest steel beam suspension bridge across the valley. The bridge has a unique structure, no piers or brackets, and is divided into 2 layers. The upper layer can accommodate 200 vehicles and the lower layer can accommodate hundreds of people. The construction of the Aizhai Bridge overcame many world-class construction difficulties, created many engineering miracles, and became a milestone in the history of world bridges. During the construction process, the bridge used 450,000 bolts, and the vertical depth from the bridge deck to the valley bottom was 355 meters, equivalent to the height of a 100-story building. Unlike traditional bridges that are closed from both ends by cranes, the Aizhai Bridge uses the ghost cable method, that is, the main cable and sling are used as load-bearing and force-transmitting components, and the lower end of the sling is installed with a horizontal steel wire rope as the beam transport vehicle track. The beam section is transported from both sides to the installation position through the track to achieve full bridge penetration. During the construction period, all materials had to be transported through the Aizhai Highway. The largest beam section weighed more than 200 tons and had to be disassembled for transportation. Some narrow sections still required several reverses to pass. With the concerted efforts of all departments, many difficulties were overcome, and the bridge was finally built in less than 5 years. After opening to traffic, the bridge shortened the travel time on the other side from the previous long traffic jam to 1 minute, providing an important driving force for the development of mountain bridge technology. In addition, the Aizhai Bridge is equipped with sightseeing passages and platforms, providing tourists with an excellent viewing spot overlooking the Aizhai Highway, increasing local tourism revenue by more than 50 million yuan each year, and laying a solid foundation for economic development along the route. The completion of the Aizhai Bridge is not only a breakthrough in China's bridge technology, but also a challenge to global bridge construction, making a bridge connecting the north and the south, turning natural barriers into thoroughfares a reality. Guozigu Bridge, known as the Eighth Wonder, is one of the most magnificent and expensive bridges in China. It is located above the Guozigu Canyon in Xinjiang. The bridge is only 700 meters long, but the construction cost is as high as 2.39 billion yuan, with an average cost of about 3.4 million yuan per meter, far exceeding the construction cost of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. As a major landmark in Xinjiang, Guozigu Bridge is not only a transportation facility, but also a masterpiece of the integration of modern engineering and natural beauty. Guozigu Bridge is cleverly designed, perfectly combining modern engineering technology with nature. It is like a steel dragon lying between snow-capped mountains. The bridge body presents a beautiful S-curve, which blends with the surrounding canyons, snow-capped mountains and forests, becoming a unique landscape. Whether you admire it from a distance or drive on it, you can feel the grandeur and magnificence of this bridge. The overall design of the bridge takes into account the terrain, geology and natural environment, making it not only practical but also ornamental, like an exquisite work of art. So, what exactly makes the Guozigu Bridge so expensive? The main reason is the extremely harsh construction environment it faces. Guozigu Gorge is located in a high-altitude mountainous area, and the bridge foundation is located on the permafrost layer. The geological conditions are complex and changeable, which greatly increases the difficulty of engineering construction. At the same time, the climate here is harsh, with winter temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, high wind speeds, and deep snow, which are a huge test for construction personnel and equipment. Such natural conditions put forward strict requirements on the design, material selection and construction technology of the bridge. In addition, the construction of Guozhigou Bridge strictly follows environmental protection requirements. Since the bridge is located in an ecologically sensitive area, the impact on the surrounding environment must be minimized during construction, which not only requires a large amount of funds to be invested in environmental protection measures, but also requires the use of innovative construction processes in the implementation of the project. For example, in the construction of bridge towers and piers, highly precise fixed-point piling technology was used to avoid excessive disturbance of the foundation. At the same time, the selection of steel cables and bridge deck materials has also undergone strict environmental protection review to ensure the durability and environmental friendliness of the bridge. The construction of Guozhigou Bridge is not only a challenge to the harsh natural environment, but also a test of the limits of human engineering technology. Its completion not only greatly improved the traffic conditions in the Guozhigou area, promoted the development of the local economy and tourism, but also became a model for China's bridge construction, demonstrating my country's technical strength in the field of difficult engineering. In short, the Guozhigou Bridge is a masterpiece that combines technological innovation, environmental protection concepts, and natural beauty. Its existence not only facilitates people's travel, but also adds a touch of modern poetry to this originally steep canyon. The bridge is like a winding steel dragon, spanning between the valleys, standing against the wind, and has become an eternal landscape deep in the Tian Shan Mountains.
you.